Good morning, dear students. Today in English class, I am going to do page number 79. So, all of you please open your English book and watch the video very properly with the help of your parents. Okay. So, let's start. Dear students, try to understand what I am explaining here. First of all, you have to write classwork, then date. DAT, date. Today's date is 04. Oblique month is 01 oblique 2022 is the year. Let's see what written here. Look at the pictures. Means some pictures given, you have to look at these pictures. Then what to do? Write the time of the day. Means in this picture, these people or these children are doing some works. So you have to, according to their work, you have to write the time, correct time. Below each picture, below each picture, some place given, you have to write here what is the time. So first picture, one girl is there. What she is doing? She is brushing her teeth. Okay, that means this is morning time. So you can write here SIX 6O. This is apostrophe, then CLOCK, clock. 6 o'clock means morning time, 6 o'clock, or you can write 6 a.m. Okay. Next picture, see one boy, he is playing football. This is called football. Okay. So this is evening time. So you can write FIBE 5O apostrophe clock, 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 or you can write 5. If morning, then we write AM. If evening or afternoon, we can write PM. Okay, 5 PM. Next is two children. What they are doing? They are reading or doing some work. Okay, doing their work. That means one is writing and he is, I think, reading. So in which time? It is night time. Okay, so we can write, or evening time also, so we can write yes, 7, or you can write 6 also. SEVEN 7O apostrophe clock, 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 or you can write what I told. Yes, what I said. If evening and afternoon, then we can write PM. Okay, 7 PM. Okay, place is very less. Okay, so you can write small 7 PM. Okay, next is C. Next question, fill in the blanks. Some blanks given here, you have to fill in these blanks with the correct names. The first one is done for you. First one given here, today is WED, WED, NES, DAY, day. Today is Wednesday. So we have to write next ones. So if today is Wednesday, then what is the YESTER, DAY, day? Yesterday was, today means आज. In Hindi we say आज. Yesterday means जो चला गया, कल. Okay, and tomorrow means जो आने वाला कल. Okay, ये बीता हुआ काल, ये आने वाला काल. Okay, so I am writing here, see, today in the middle, then yesterday first, yesterday, day, then next is tomorrow, TOMORROW. This is in Hindi we say आज. This is जो काल, जो चला गया. Okay, और this is काल मतलब आने वाला काल. Okay, so here written today is Wednesday. So we write here Wednesday, NES, DAY, day. If today is Wednesday, जो काल चला गया, बीता हुआ काल को क्या बोलेंगे? Wednesday के आगे क्या आएगा? Let's read. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. So this is Tuesday. Tues, Tuesday, day. Earlier I discussed about this today, about the days of the year and days of the week, isn't it? So Tuesday, Wednesday, and tomorrow is Thursday. Thurs, Thursday, day. So what written here? See, yesterday was what? Tuesday. So Tues, Tuesday, day, Tuesday. Next is tomorrow, Tomo, tomorrow, RROW. Tomorrow is what? Tomorrow is Thursday. Okay, so write here THURS, Thursday, Thursday. Next is C, dash comes after Friday. So let's write here Thursday then Friday, isn't it? So I am writing here C, Monday, MON, Monday, YD, Monday, then Tuesday. You also learned, I think, this all. Wednesday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, then Thursday, THURS, Thursday, day, then Friday, FRI, Friday, day, then Saturday, SATUR, Saturday, day, then Sunday. Okay, this is the days of the week. Sunday, not days. So, what written here? Dash comes after. After means बाद में, पीछे. Friday. Friday के बाद में क्या आता है? See, where is the Friday? This is Friday. Friday के after में क्या है? Saturday. Okay, Friday के बाद Saturday आता है. So, SATUR, Saturday, Saturday comes after Friday. Saturday comes after Friday. Friday के पीछे Saturday. Friday के बाद में Saturday आता है. Next is our school is closed on which day? Our school closed? Yes, Sunday. But your school Saturday also closed? No. But class 1 to only closed on Sunday. SUN, Sunday, day, Sunday. Next is 12 months make a, last day I told you 12 months make a year. Okay. YEAR, year. Next is dash is the first month. What we learned that day? First month is what? See, this is January. January is the first month. And last month is the December. Okay. So, first month dash is the first month, January. JANU, Janu, ARYRE. January is the first month. The last month is what I told? Yes, December. DECEM, December, December. Next is dash has only 28 days. What I told that day? This is 28 days. What? February. Okay. So February only 28 days. So FEB, Feb, RURU, ARY. February has only 28 days. Okay. Next is dash has only 3 letters, but dash has 9 letters. So let's count 3 letters here. Where 3 letters? See? Yes, this is 3 letters. No, 1, 2, 3. May. So 3 letters only in May. A May, Y May. May has only 3 letters, but dash has 9 letters. So let's count. Where are 9 letters? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Not 9. See, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's count here also. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yes, this is September. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This also 8, November. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. January is 7. Here all less. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. December is 8. October is 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then August also less. So only September is the ninth letter. Okay, ninth letters. So here write S-E-P, SEP, T-E-M, TEM, B-E-R. September has 9 letters. And last one, see, I was born in the month of dash. This is your homework because I don't know about your month. Born month means in which month you born. Okay, means your birthday month. Okay, you have to write this by yourself. Up to this much for today. You have to complete this with the help of your parents.